Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dede Alpian and now I will explain about the journal. The title is Dialect and Gender Difference in Knowledge for a Mandarin Population by Hak Kyung Kim, Xiao Meng Yu, Yan Jing Shao, Xiao Ming Liu, and then Zhao Ming Huang. Speech resonance is the modification of sound that are generated by the vocal cord. It provides the quality or perceived sound during speech and consists of an adequate balance of oral and nasal resonance. Peterson, Falzon, Truss, Cardamore, Carner, and Hardin Jones 2006. If resonance has structural inadequacy and abnormal functioning, and then the existence of resonance disorder generally known by phalangofaringeal dysfunction is identified using perceptual methods including aerodynamic methods such as naval view, Tiger Electronics, Seattle USA, and then Nasometer, K Elementric, Lincoln Park USA, and direct methods such as endoscopy. Nasometry is a perceptual method for evaluating nasal resonance. Nasal view and nasometer are not only convention but also non-invasive. And the next subjects. The subjects confirmed 400 Chinese normal adult, 200 females, 200 males, and the next 100 for Beijing, 500 for males, 500 for males, and next 100 for Shanghai, 50 for females, and 50 males, and next 100 from Chongqing, Chongqing, 50 for males and 50 for males, and the last 100 for Guangzhou, 50 for males, 50 for males, who were pursuing undergraduate degrees at Beijing Union University, East China Normal University, and then Chongqing Normal University, and the last Guangzhou Sport University. And the next instrumentation and data collection. The nasal view, Tiger Electronic in Seattle, USA, was used for data collection. The nasal view and Acer 736G notebook were both transported to each site and connected to each other. The equipment was recalibrated at the time of each recording were conducted in a quiet school classroom. And the next data analysis, the means nasal score were measured using the nasal view. The overall mean and standard deviation were generated via biostatistic software SPSS version 160. Nasal scores for dialect and gender were comparing using two-way analysis of variance ANOVA, defining a p-value 0.5 as significant. Post hoc testing determine which comparison affect the means nasal scores was applied to the four dialect to investigate test reliability. We randomly selected 24 females and 24 males from all subjects at one by one subjects to dialect ratio. To take a second recording, the headset was not removed between the first and second recording for all materials. Analysis was conducted using version correlation conventions for the intra-subject reliability test. And the last conclusion, the finding of this study might be helpful in the diagnosis of resonance disorder among Mandarin speakers. Furthermore, in this study, we have collected nasal data of 4 Chinese regions at this can helpful in compiling norms data for Chinese adult in further studies. As should be considered the relationship between dialect and nasal specifically assess dialect nasal difference in country that use the same language. Mishima, Sugi, Yamada, Imura, and then the last Yugahara. 2008. This study also showed the theoretical and socio-cultural feature for linguistic investigating dialect and gender. The finding for dialect in particular has a clinical implication because it is necessary to unify the Mandarin materials to compare them with nasalans for Chinese dialect regions. Science, dialect, and cultural difference have an important impact on nasalans. Dialect characteristics should be taken into consideration when selecting the assessment material. Further study in required to verify unification on Mandarin material in clinical population large group of normal adults, young children, and 55 ethnic minorities. And the next journal, the title Role of Developing Language Attitude in Study About Content on Adoption of Dialectical Pronunciation by Lauren B. Smith. The first, a study about an adoption of local dialect variants. Researcher and practitioner alike recognize the many linguistic and culture benefit for language learning that a study about context provide, and previous study has identified linguistic gains for study about learners in several areas including fluency, Kaiser 1986, Sigalowis, and Fried 2004, oral proficiency, Fried 1995, Sigalowis, ECL 2004, and discourse abilities, Lavford 2004. In this case, of phonological equation or pronunciation, however, findings have been less conclusive with respect to whether learners who study abroad have an advantage over learners in the at-home context. That is, phonological gains for study abroad students have been reported in some cases. Stephen 2001 for certain speech stylists, Dias Campos 2006, Lord 2010, whereas in other study abroad has not been found to lead to advantage in phonological development. Dias Campus 2004, Sigalowis ETL 2004, and Simios 1996. And the next variable under investigation. The current study investigate the adoption of two dialect variable characteristic of Buenos Aires River Plate, Spanish by second language learners of Spanish studying in Argentina, limited age and the accessibility free Falata, first in many Caribbean and coastal varieties of Spanish include the local Buenos Aires variety, a syllable final S, which in its maintained form in articulate as fricative Sibian. Number one may be limited to a period of glottal aspiration. Number two, or to total dilation. Number three, Huadel 2005. And the next, objective of the current study. The objective of current study thus is to build on the existing research to identify and clarify the roles that social factors play in the adoption or lack of dialect sound in L2 pronunciation. The following research, the question were pointed to meet this research objective. Number one, do L2 learners adopt to region phonetic variants of local Buenos Aires Spanish lineage is and the accessibility free volatile after a short-term summer study about experience? And number two, what are the role of language attitude toward the Buenos Aires Spanish Buenos Aires cultural group and Spanish and accent in general in the use or non-use of the dialect sounds? And the next participant, 24 North American university students enrolled in a 6-week summer study abroad program of advanced language and culture in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Participants in the study 14 females and then 10 males. And the last conclusion, the recent study found the second language learners of Spanish regularly adopted the local free Valata accessibility sound, but not the local lineage is formed after 5 weeks in a study about context in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Findings furthermore revealed that adoption of the dialect sound, although height was variable across students and was linked with several measures of individual learners' attitude towards Spanish sounding a native, like a target action model preference, the last of which in particular appears to be influenced during a study abroad experience. The study highlight the importance of both linguistic factors such as input L1 and L2 phonological difference and social ones, language attitude, model, action preference in the adoption of dialect sound, which might help to explain how level of use dialect pronunciation observed in previous study even after a semester or year in the target language community. Taking into consideration the finding of the present study, language instruction thus should prepare their student by exposing them to rich example of the dialect variation present across target language communication, including drawing attention to and providing perceptual training for sound that might not be silenced to learners. Furthermore, instruction should be aware of how particular immersion experience might shape the language model learners aspire to and should support students in their individual autonomy and ownership in the language they choose to develop and use.
Classification of regional dialect, international dialect, and non-native action. Talker region of origin and native language will significantly have their speech production pattern. Previous results suggest that listeners are highly sensitive to whether a talker is a native or non-native speaker of their language. Listeners also have some ability to categorize of classify talker by regional dialect or non-native accent. However, most previous studies have included variability in only one of those categories. The present study simultaneously examines listener perspective organization of regional dialect and non-native action. talker representing 6 United States regional dialect, 6 international native dialect, and 12 non-native accents were included into talks. In ordinary free classification talks, in which listener group talker based on previous region of origin, and leader talks, in which listener arrange talker based on their perspective descent from a standard American English. Listener were sensitive to the distinction between native and non-native accent, even when presented with a very wide range of dialect and accent. Further, subgroup within the native and non-native cluster in the free classification talks suggest several organization factors, including previous distance from the local standard, specific acoustic phonetic talker characteristic, and speaker rate. Method. The current study expands on previous research by including 6 U.S. regional dialect, 6 international dialect, and 12 non-native accents within the same talks, with multiple talkers representing each regional or language background. Listener representation of these varieties were investigated using both a free classification task and a distance from American English leader task. The central goal of the current study was provide basic data and listener perceptual space for multiple linguistic varieties and a view of the physical linguistic distance among the varieties. The physical linguistic distance material revolved in the current study can inform further work on the intelligibility or processing of different linguistic varieties. Finding. In addition to the perceptual difference between native and non-native accent, the result revealed further structure within this division. In the leader talks, a separation was seen among the regional and international dialect, varying across the talker. All the U.S. regional dialects were ranked as closer to the American English basis than all the international English dialects. The only exception to this pattern at the individual level was one Southern U.S. talker and the Irish talker, who received an early equivalent distance ranking. This finding demonstrated of the listener preferred almost all talkers from US and more similar to their internal representation of American English than talkers from outside US. The inclusion of talkers from a geographically closer area was space pattern share more acoustic phonetic feature with the listener. Such a talker from Canada may prove an exception to pattern observed in this study. Clustering analysis of the physics classification tasks revealed a similar perception organization as was seen in the leader task. Native talkers were split into two separate clusters. One cluster was primarily composed of the U.S. regional dialect, and the other cluster including only international English dialect. The New Zealand and Ireland dialects were explained to the American versus international pattern because they were clustered with the U.S. regional dialect. In the contrast, in the leader talks, the U.S. regional dialect and international dialect vary across the three talkers from each dialect showed no overlap. The distance between the U.S. in the international dialect were in the fact larger than the distance between international dialect and non-native accent. Conclusion. When presented with a large and variety set of accent and dialect, listeners were sensitive to the distinction between native and non-native varieties. The architecture within this broad native-non-native structure demonstrated that listeners were attitude to difference between American and non-American native varieties and organization non-native talkers into the broad grouping. Several factors emergence as a possible silent feature influencing prefectual qualification, including holistic distance from the regional standard, specific acoustic phonetic feature, and speaking rate. The present study support the idea and preserving non-native accent can be described as a holistic process involving the intersection of multiple factors. Murno 2010 they talk and show that this multiple approach may also be employed for the perfectual organization of native accent.
The first one is regional dialect and multi-ethnic youth style in a Danish social housing project. The theory is regional dialect features therefore are not a part of the picture, or at least not part of what research have attended to. However, Christine's 2012 has shown that young speakers in multi-ethnic urban neighborhoods might take up and use local dialect feature together with ethnic associate feature analysis. The analysis is quantitative analysis of linguistic variation with insight down from ethnographic feedback. Participants: there are 45 young people between the age of 14 and 16 took part in this study. The majority of the participants were of Iraqi, Palestinian, or Somali descent, with small number of participants being a Turkish and Vietnamese descent. This distribution quite closely resembles the general pattern of ethnic background in Folsmore. Data: they conduct audio record semi-structured individual interview with 42 of participants. We carried out 6 focus group conversations, record several hours of group work, and had the participants fill out the questionnaire and mental maps to assess different aspects of their sense of place and their corporal and mental mobility. The conclusion is the participant involves more great social distinction, so highly supporting linguistic distinction. Our analysis of regionally and ethnic associate features show that linguistic variation involves more is socially embedded, forming 2 different locally immense registers. One register is based predominantly on regional associate feature and used among local orient boys. The other, more hybrid register include both the regionally and the ethnic associate feature and is used among urban orient boys who display a less school enthusiasm and toddler attitude. All analysts take the local community of practice as its starting point, focus on 2 school class. By consequence, we have not in this article consider the potential effect of individual speakers interacting with speakers from outside of Folsmore. However, Scoff 2018 interpretation shows that varying degree of contact with peers who do not live in Folsmore seems to influence who use phoneme feature. Language anxiety in Chinese dialect and Putonga among college students in mainland China. The effect of sociobiographical and linguistic variable. Theory: language anxiety (LA) in Chinese dialect and Putonga among college students in mainland China, and explore the links between their LA in the first language and a range of sociobiographical variables, as well as linguistic variables. Analysis: Kolmogorov-Smirnov test revealed that the value for LA in dialect and Putonghua across all situations and delta LA in dialects and Putonga are not normally distributed. As consequence, we opt for non-parametric statistical technique. Friedman tests were used instead of repeat measure ANOVA. Participant of the present study were 778 first-year college students with average age of 18 years old from Renmin University of China. Data. Dewey and Pachevko bilingualism and emotion questionnaire was adapted as the research instrument in this study. Conclusion. The present study is the first large study to acknowledge to invest LA in dialect and Putonghua among young educated Chinese adults in mainland China. Participant report significantly higher level of LA in dialect than LA in Putonghua across a range of situations. Geographical background and mother tongue had significant effect on both LA in Putonghua and LA in dialects. AWA and context of acquisition only had significant effect on LA in Putonghua, but not all LA in dialects. The relationship between self-perceived oral proficiency, frequency of use, and LA in Putonghua were stronger than the link between them in and LA in dialects.